anong mga magagandang industry in the Philippines na pag-focusan ng mga investors? Kasi alam naman natin na medyo down siya, pero may mga certain sectors po kasi na magandang pag-focusan.
There are sectors and industries that will do well given the scheme of things and the movement of our economy. One of them certainly will be the banks. Makikita mo, ang ganda ng kita ngayon, BDO, BPI, Metrobank. These are very good operations. And if you're going to be looking at the strength that they give as investments, ano yan double barrel yan. First and foremost, their margins are good and they've been very profitable all through the last 3 to 5 years. But on top of that, I think one of the biggest pluses that they carry would be their dividend payout, experience. Kasi may mga nagbibigay dyan ng anywhere from 5 to 7% na dividend. So, even if the prices don't go up, you're going to get paid for waiting. Kasi yung dividendo mo, mas mataas sa time deposit. So, it's very important that you pick out these banks that give really handsome dividends. Second, syempre alam natin yung property, pa-recover yan. Bakit? Bumababa ang interest rate. Pag bumababa ang interest rate, may tinatawag na propensity ang tao to borrow money to buy houses. Kasi bumababa ang mortgage loans. Diba? So pwedeng magkaroon ng brisk movement sa real estate segment and we have to take advantage of that in terms of our investing as well. Tas lalo na yung mga property firms natin, yan din ang may-ari ng pinakamalalaking mall. Diba? So, if consumer spending will remain robust at kung makabawi na yung tinatawag na retail spending, then our property companies will also go up because they also own a huge chunk of the retail base in this country. Ngayon, malaking bagay din talaga yung REITs in the scheme of things kasi ang taas din ng dividend payout nila eh. Plus, you're actually buying property portfolios. Medyo sabihin na natin na parang undervalued yung property portfolios na yun ngayon. So, dalawa makukuha mo. A low-priced property portfolio plus a future stream of dividends that would be top-notch. So, this would be one of the type of instruments or one of the particular sectors that I'm going to really be advising people to take a look at seriously.